The PowerSpec 1510 is one of the best gaming deals I've seen in a long time. If you have a MicroCenter nearby, and don't care about having a name brand PC, $1,300 will take you a long way. It's hard to find a laptop in this price range with a GTX 1070 card. The biggest drawbacks are the speakers and the warm temperatures while gaming. However, these issues are worth tolerating to get this much performance at such a low price. If you want something with a brand name, and better speakers, an equivalently spec'd Alienware 15 is $1,780, and while it's a bit clunkier, you'll get Alienware's useful gaming software and its spaceship-like design. But if you're looking to save a few $100, and it's hard to blame you there, the PowerSpec 1510 will serve you well. The LG V30 is still basically an Android enthusiast phone, appealing to die-hard fans who need the latest smartphone specs, and want killer audio and assortment of fun features. But its competition has only gotten tougher with the launches of Samsung's Note 8, Google's Pixel 2, Huawei's Mate 10, and Apple's iPhone 8. To get noticed, LG's V30 would have to be nearly perfect, and it's not. But it's still a pretty great phone that improves upon both the G6 and the V20. The LG V30's outstanding sound quality and nifty camera tricks are good reasons to consider it. At $829 for an unlocked 64GB model, however, price isn't a compelling reason to pick up the V30 over an $850 Pixel 2 XL or even the $799 iPhone 8 Plus. Neither is the screen, nor the battery. When you add it all up, the V30 is an enthusiast phone that's hard to get all that enthusiastic about.